Hello everyone, this is Ann from GeoVision. We are excited to announce a series of new products launching this year. In the first quarter, we will release a series of upgraded software including GV-ASManager version 6.0 for access control and GV-VMS version 18.3 for video management. We have added some new features for better user experience. In the second quarter, GV Enterprise will be released, which is a comprehensive central management software to manage all GeoVision software and hardware from one single platform. Later in the third quarter, we will have 32 and 64 channel Linux-based Standalone NVR. AI Guard 2.0 is another new video management software that adds in real-time advanced AI video analytics. For the access control, we have an upgraded version of ASManager version 6.0 for software, and we have added a range of new readers and controllers. We now provide 4 new types of card and pin mode readers, 2 card mode readers, and 1 all-in-one controller readers this year. Some of which, such as GV-RK1355, R1355, are of IP66. Even IK10 for RKP1355 is great for outdoor environment. They can support OSDP, WeGin, RS485, and TCP/IP communication protocols for respective models. The ASManager 6.0 has been released in January. This upgraded version provides more security and privacy to your access control system. In the previous version, for example, all the log details can be viewed if users are logged in as an administrator. Whereas now, the new version enables users to restrict each department from viewing logs from other departments by configuring in the new feature, the device group, in ASManager. Here's a demo of the device group. Administrator can assign various controls to different accounts. Let's say we make 5 groups of company A to E. Then, the top-level administrator can configure settings to restrict operators of each group to view and configure his own company accounts. This way, information is not shared. After the administrator logs out, operator Amy from company A logs in via ASWeb. She can only view and access those controllers and readers of company A. In addition, you will have a new color scheme to choose for the web interface in ASManager 6.0. Our new icons are more organized for easier access to configurations. Also, users now have the option to select light or dark color scheme upon your preference. Mentioning about video surveillance hardware, GeoVision will release a new series of IP cameras and standalone NVR. In the first quarter, we have already launched 2 models of 4 megapixel AI speed domes, 2 models of full-color AI camera for full-color view at night with AI functions. We will be releasing an AI box for Edge AI solution in second quarter. Any IP cameras can be used together with AI box to support smart features like people counting, crowd detection, and more. This AI box will be released in second quarter along with 5 megapixel thermal camera for heat detection, 8 megapixel panoramic series AI dome, and bullet cameras that provides 180 degrees field of view. Note that to make use of the perimeter protection functions in GeoVision's AI cameras, it is required to comply with VMS 18.3 and later versions. Next, I will present our Linux-based standalone NVR. We will be launching our new 16, 32, and 64 channels SNVR this year, with 2 bays, 4 bays, and 8 bays respectively. Regarding video surveillance software, I would like to present the GV-VMS version 18.3, GV Enterprise, which is our new central management software, and GV-AI Guard 2.0. VMS 18.3 is a paid version video management software and requires a licensed dongle. This is scheduled to be released around the end of first quarter. To achieve the AI features, you have to connect to our GeoVision's AI cameras. The main key feature we will introduce is the integration with GeoVision AI cameras to perform perimeter protection and classification. It offers real-time alarm to take instant actions. Users are able to define a detection area when the camera detects a person or vehicle enters the designated area. It will trigger a real-time notification. As you can see from the video, an area is set to detect for people only. The pedestrians are detected and the alarm is triggered. Quick event filter by people or vehicle object greatly increase efficiency in post-event search. Users are able to quickly filter the post-event footage and instant playback by cameras. Events such as intrusion, crossline, enter or leave area. Object such as people or vehicle, date and time range. Simply double-click on the picture to watch the playback. VMS 18.3 provides users the option to record only when an event is detected with integrated GeoVision's AI camera. This can further save up storage space as compared to forced recordings triggered by animals, falling leaves with motion detection. Users can define a detection area within a camera's field of view. GV-VMS will start recording when people or vehicles are detected. For example, the demo video shows that the VMS only starts recording when the vehicles are detected. Next, we'll talk about AI Guard 2.0. AI Guard 2.0, which will be launched in second quarter, is a new video management software that features real-time advanced AI video analytics. This analytics includes people and vehicle detection, social distancing alert, face mask, and hard hat detection, which can be triggered in live view with real-time notifications. In playback, smart search can be done based on people and vehicle detection movement, clothing color, vehicle type and color. Let's check out one of the features of smart search. The demo video shows that you can hit the option and filter on the left. You can choose which cameras you want to search, or you can just simply search all the cameras. You can also choose a date and time range on the top. If you click type, you have a drop-down menu that allows you to search by people, cars, bicycles, motorbike, bus, or truck. We can select car and choose vehicle color white. Hit OK. You get a list of all white car results. You simply double-click, and the event and playback footage can be played. Another important key feature of AI Guard 2.0 is to monitor people and traffic control. AI Guard 2.0 offers counting number of people and vehicles, wrong-way driving detection, curb management, flame and smoke detection. It is a perfect solution for law enforcement and city surveillance. This demo video shows that the vehicle detection for counting and classifying incoming vehicles. Here we can see that a virtual line is being drawn, and if any vehicle crosses the line, it can automatically classify into bike, car, motorbike, bus, or a truck. And it can also capture the main color of the vehicle. Let us introduce to you the GV Enterprise. With GV Enterprise, central operators can remotely configure all GV-VMS, GV Recording Server, Control Center, Edge Recording Manager, and IP cameras. The GV Enterprise license starts from 5 hosts with an increment of 5 hosts should any additional license be required. The maximum number of hosts that GV Enterprise can support is 255, whether it is GV-VMS, Recording Server, Control Center, and Edge Recording Management System. The GV Enterprise allows you to do auto-search IP devices and assign them to Video Management System for recording and monitoring in one step. With its unique function, it can automate scheduled remote patch update on all sites in one go. The capability of remote configuration and batch update provides an ideal maintenance tool for quick after-sales service, especially where huge deployments are implemented in remote areas and traveling is involved. However, one thing to be aware of is that all systems on the sites are required to have the same version before applying batch patching for updates. So this is the user interface showing the remote configurations and firmware upgrades. You can see that the GV Enterprise can perform remote configurations for all VMS remotely. And also, it can perform firmware upgrades for IP devices in one single platform. The GV Enterprise also provides full failover support for uninterrupted live monitoring and recording. This is the structure diagram of failover system for GV-VMS and GV recording server. In case of VMS breakdowns, the second VMS can act as a failover unit. This is the structure diagram of failover servers for GV Enterprise. The GV Enterprise can act as a failover unit itself so that uninterrupted live monitoring and recordings can be achieved. Say goodbye to all the interrupt between events. The event log records and displays all of the events of GV Enterprise which can be accessed by administrator. This allows users to easily manage the overall operational behavior. The top-level administrator can also review the event records to check if any configurations or settings have been changed. On this page, you will be able to see the connection status of different hosts. You will also be able to see the display of configuration events done on different softwares. Thank you for your precious time. If you would like to know more about our products, please feel free to contact us at sales@geovision.com.tw. We are keen to answer all your questions and inquiries.